Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do a quick review of what should be done for Writer's Workshop. So you guys have been working on creating your own poem, modernizing our mentor text, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. So you created one stanza per day following the rhyme scheme and adding in all of the poetic elements that we dissected in our mentor text. So at this point your poem should be done, and today we're going to be turning it in. So there's two things that I need you to do today. The first thing is we're turning in our planning document on Canvas. So the planning document we started last Thursday. It's the same document. So I'll have you open that up and it looks like this. The first page should be annotated. So we did that together with an instructional video. So that should be color coded and dissecting all of the pieces of poetic elements. On the second page of this document, you have your poem that you created. So once again, we have 4 stanzas. They should be following the rhyme scheme. So here I have mine color-coded. For example, the first, second, and fourth line, those are all A's, so those should rhyme. Your third line of your first stanza is a B. That should flow into your stanza 2, rhyming with lines 1, 2, and 4 of your second stanza. Then you have the third line in your second stanza as a C, and that should be rhyming and flowing into the next stanza. So just double check and make sure that your rhyme scheme is spot on. In addition to the rhyme scheme, please make sure that all of your lines are 8 syllables. Okay, and then the last 2 lines of your poem are repetitious, so they should be the exact same. We are, once again, repeating the last 2 lines, so they should be something impactful. So, this document, which page 1 is your annotated Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, and your second page is your poem that you wrote that mirrors the rhyme scheme and poetic elements. This we're turning in on Canvas. So I'll show you the assignment on Canvas. You're going to go to your student playlist, and over under resources I have it highlighted for you. It's MCAP, which is Modernizing Classic American Poetry, annotation and planning. So go ahead and click on that, and you are going to upload your 2-page planning guide there. In addition to this, turning this in on Canvas, we're also going to be making a portfolio this semester in Writer's Workshop. And the portfolio is going to be a collection of all of your writing, and it's going to be organized very neatly in Google Docs. So once you have successfully submitted your MCAP, Modernizing Classic American Poetry, Annotation, and Planning on Canvas, you're also going to open up Google Docs today for me, and you are going to create a new Google document, and you're titling this Writer's Workshop Portfolio. So you can see here in the upper left-hand corner of my document, it says Writer's Workshop Portfolio. When we're done with each piece of writing, we're going to be putting it into here, and then at the end of the semester, you'll have an entire document that is a collection of everything that you've written with me. So at the very top of this document, you're going to type capitalized bold Project 1, Modernizing Classic American Poetry. So I have that modeled here. And then you're going to type the final version of your poem in this portfolio document. So again, I modeled it here for you. You're going to put the title of your poem in quotation marks. The second line, and we're center lining that, the second line is going to be your name. So you're going to put by your name. And then you're going to type your poem on the left-hand side, left aligned. And there will be 1 space in between each stanza and no spaces in between the lines of the stanza. So again, it's modeled right here. Take a look at mine, and that's what yours should look like. So once again, today, there's 2 things I need you to do for Writer's Workshop. 1, you are turning in your document on Canvas that has the annotation and your poem into MCAP, annotation, and planning. And 2, you're creating a new Google Doc today where we are going to be dropping all of our work into, and that is going to be your portfolio, titled Writer's Workshop Portfolio. And you're typing your poem there. If you have any questions, please join office hours today at 3:05 and I can answer those for you, or feel free to send me an email and I will answer questions there. Okay, can't wait to see what you guys wrote, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the portfolios when they're done. I will check back in on Monday, where we will be creating our music videos for our poems that we wrote. Okay, bye everyone.